With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question that was given to us is that is from set S, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to that is 20. 4 numbers are chosen without replacement. And the statement 1 is given the probability that the chosen numbers when arranged in some order will form an AP is 1 by 85. That the probability that if we choose numbers when we arrange in some order, then it will form an AP is 1 by 85. And in the statement 2 it is given that if the 4 chosen numbers form an AP, then the set of all possible values of common difference is only between, that is the value of D is only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 up to. So first of all, according to the question that the set is given, that is S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is up to the value of that is 20. That is up to the value 20. Now that is the total ways, we can say that total ways to select that is 4 numbers from the set of 20 is equals to 20 C4. This is the total ways of selecting 4 numbers from the set of 20 numbers. Now according to our statement 1, it said that the probability that the chosen number, so first of all we will find out the that is set. So let us take that is case 1. In 1, if we take the value of A equal to 1 and if we take that is common difference equal to 1, so we can select number 4 numbers as in this way, that is in the first we select that is our value 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can select 2, 3, 4 and 5, similarly 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last set that we will consider is that is 17, 18, 19 and 20. So from here we will form that is 17 set, that is 1 to 17 we can form. So according to the case 1, the value is equals to that we get is, in which our value of A, that is first term, is 1 and the common difference is 1, is that is 17. So now we will normally that is vary the common difference up to the value of 5. So now we will get that is case 2, where the value of first term is remain 1 but the common difference is equals to 2. Now the set that we get is that is we will start that is first term is 1 and the common difference 2, so the second number is 3, 5, 7. Similarly that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and the last term that we can made is that is 14, 16, 18 and 20. So from here we will that is form that is 14 set, that is 1 to 14. So from here we can make that is 14 set. Similarly in case 3, that is where first term is 1 and the common difference is 3. Now that is first term is 1, so common difference 3, so the other number is 4, that is 7 and 10, other that is 2, 5, 8, 11, and the last term that we made from this is that is 11, 14, 17 and 20. So from here we move from that is 1 to 11, so they are total equal to 11 set. So now we will consider that the common difference will forming the AP, that is if we take the value that is common difference is 1, there are total of 17 sets. When the common difference is 2, there are 14 set, and when the common difference is 3, so there are 11 set. Similarly when we take that is case 4, in which the value of A equal to 1 and D equal to 4, so these sets are that is 1, 5, 9 and similarly 13, other are 2, 6, 10, 14, and the last set that we get is that is 8, 12, 16 and 20. So there are total of that is we move from 1 to 8, so total sets are equal to 8. So it was forming a AP, that is in the first value there will be 17, and in the when the value of D is equals to 2 we get 14 set, that is minus of 3. When D is equals to 3, minus 3, that is 11. When D equal to 4, that is minus 3, 8. And the other value that we get is that is in the case 5, when we take the value A equal to 1 and D equal to 5, we get the value that is 8 minus 3, that is 5. 8 minus 3, that is 5. And the last case that we get is that is in case 6, we get the value that is A equal to 1 and D equal to 6, that is 5 minus 3, 2. Now we can't take that is value of D equal to 7 because 2 minus 3 it will become negative, so cases are not in negative. So now we will see our statement 2. If the 4 chosen number form an AP, so they are forming AP, that is 17 minus 3, that is 14, then 11, then 8, then 5 and 2. If the 4 chosen number form an AP, then the set of all possible values of common difference, that is the possible value of D, is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we have seen here that the possible values of D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and also 6. So our statement number 2 is wrong. Now our statement number 1 states that the probability that the chosen numbers when arranged in some order will form an AP. So our that is favorable outcomes is the total of all the cases. So our favorable outcomes is equals to the, that is addition of all the values of the cases. So that is case 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So we get this value equal to, that is 17 plus 14 plus 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, and which is equals to the, this value will equal 31 plus 42 50, and 17 plus 14 is 31 plus 11 42 plus 8 50 plus 5 55 and 2 is, that is 57. This will be equals to, that is 57. Now we know that the formula for the probability that is equals to favorable outcome upon total outcome. So our favorable outcomes are, that is 57, and our total outcome that we have selected in the question, the first part, that is 20C4, that is the total ways to selecting 4 numbers. So this is 57 divided by 20C4. Now we solve this, that is 57, and there is multiplication of 4 factorial into 16 factorial divided by 20 factorial. Now we again solve this, that is 57 multiplied by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and multiply by 16 factorial divided by, that is 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 into 16 factorial. So 16 factorial and 16 factorial cancel out. This 19 cancels this 57 by 3, and this, that is 4, cancels this 20 by 5, and the value that we get, the 3 into 3, that is 9 into 2 is 18. So this value 18 cancel out with this 18. So the value that we get is, that is 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 17, and this value is equals to, that is 1 by 85. So the number that are forming AP, so the probability of these numbers are, that is 1 by 85. And in the statement 1 it was given that if they will form an AP, so this value is 1 by 85. So this means that our statement 1 is correct. So now we can say that the conclusion that we get is, that is statement 1 is correct. Statement 1 is correct, but that is statement 2 is not correct. But statement 2 is not correct. Thank you. This is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.